In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another link to a Flodesk checkout page, specifically through Flodesk checkouts. If you're looking to enhance your checkout page with additional links such as a button or a simple text link, you've come to the right place. Adding links can be a powerful way to guide your audience, offer more information, or even direct them to additional resources. So let's dive into this straightforward process and add some functionality to your pages. First, you'll want to navigate to Flodesk's website by heading over to www.flodesk.com. Once there, you'll simply log into your account. If you've already got a Flodesk account, great, you're all set. If you don't, you might need to sign up and fill in some basic details, but let's assume you're already signed in. Now that you're in, head over to the checkout section. This is where the magic happens and where we can make those adjustments to your checkout page. Go ahead and open the specific checkout page where you'd like to add your link. This is an important step because any changes you make will be saved to this particular page, so make sure you're working on the right one. In the checkout content editor, you'll see various blocks and elements you can work with. Focus your attention on the text block or the description area, as this is where you'll be placing your new link. With the editor open, click into the text block to start editing. Now you'll want to type out the text that will appear as a clickable link on your page. For instance, you might want to type something engaging like shop now. Of course, you can personalize this to fit the context of your page, maybe a call to action or something that aligns with the products or services you're offering. After you've typed in your desired text, the next step is to highlight it. This is crucial for turning regular text into a hyperlink. Once highlighted, look for the familiar link icon in the formatting bar. This icon typically resembles a chain link and is your gateway to transforming static text into an interactive link. Go ahead and paste the URL you wish to link to. It could be a Calendly link for scheduling appointments, a terms of service page for legal information, or even another product page you want to promote. Whatever it is, just ensure the URL is correctly copied and pasted. After pasting the link, remember to click on either apply or save. This will ensure your changes are committed, making the link live and active on your page. Finally, you can send or publish your updated checkout page with confidence that your link is functioning exactly as you intended. And that's it, you've successfully added another link to your Flodesk checkout page. This small adjustment can lead to a big increase in customer engagement and create a more dynamic checkout experience. Happy linking!